birds in Sam's parking lot. Here we go. Woo! Ah! Keep chasing them. Look, Will. Look at the birds. Oh, I keep landing. Oh, we're doing circles. Don't hit the birds. Look, they keep landing. We haven't got pooped on yet. Oh, birdies.
Okay.
We're coming. Oh, more birdies. Oh, they got tired of us. They got tired of us. That's what you're supposed to do on Saturday night. Move the birds. Oh, they're going to the field. That's where they belong.
That's where they belong. Safe.
Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Look at that tree. You can hear it. That's all from us tonight. Good night.